So the collaboration between all the parties is really critical to getting the design right.
It has to be very, very close.
Yeah.
It has to be very, very close.
And this is unusual, really, for a lot of lighting as it relates to vehicles, right? A lot of times there's products and packages that are available that you integrate without the need for such close collaboration.
Yes, not everybody does this. Yeah. We at Audi always were thinking in this way. We always try to keep in contact with, we call it tier 2 suppliers, because for us it was always clear the light source is very important. And with OLED technology, it's not only the light source, it's the styling.
Yes.
And so that's even more important.
Yeah.
But that was actually clear from the beginning, because when we started, we from our first steps, our colleagues, Rainer Lente, was from the beginning there. From the first step, we were sure we have to take technology from the supplier and our stylists together and then discuss what is possible. And at the end, you get something that's completely unique. And actually, it's unique. Yeah. Nobody else has something like this, because it's a different way of thinking and a different way of developing a car.
The standard fashioned way to go via OEM to tier 1 to tier 2 and having only this one loop of communication down and upwards is not the best approach, because there are so many key factors to make really the design fulfilling what you as OEM would like to have, making it feasible to have it cost-wise optimized, making the schedule fit to everybody from OEM to tier 1 to tier 2, which has its challenges, but the trilateral approach is really the key for everything.
Yeah, I think this is really an important point, that with OLED technology, that the light source is a styling surface, and based on this we have a lot of interrelationship that we have directly conversation with the OLED panel maker, because what you are doing is to create a substrate full of pieces at the end where we need a high density, and if you don't have your expertise, you're also commercially a little bit lost. And I think this is also what you're doing on a daily basis when you're sending you designs at the end, which we can evaluate, I would say, the first draft version, but then I think then your processes are starting, that you're doing your expertise and also rating what can be done.
If you don't have a partner who is willing to go the extra mile with you, if you don't have a partner who is cheering you up when you're down, if you don't have a partner who is able to answer the technical questions we have to a high level and find solutions together, one person or one, let's say, OEM as Audi would never be successful. We need a trustful relationship. So on the tier 2, on the tier 3 side, we have to work together with a glass manufacturer from Corning. We have to talk together with our electronic experts from ST. We have to work together with OLED Works. But we also need tier 1s who are really trusting that this might be the right step.
Yeah, for us it was really a great experience and a great opportunity to work with these experts companies on a really impressive innovation for the automotive industry. ST's strategic focus has been since long time the automotive lighting, and the digital OLED technology is, let's say, the natural evolution path and brings really high value to the customer, to the OEM, and finally also to the end user. And ST is enthusiastic to contribute to this project, and the collaboration with the team over all the period was really a fantastic journey together.